Hey guys, Toby's Gamer here. Let's crack open some 25k packs. The most unique gold items. Oh, so skip. Absolute rubbish. And with the club. So yeah, we can open about 3 of these, I think. No, 2 of them. Yeah, two more after this one. I haven't had a good experience with these packs. Terry. That guy is transferred, isn't he? 87 physical and a goalkeeper. Anything else? No. So I'm probably gonna put up a pack and play up tomorrow. That'll probably be up around about tomorrow. Whatever time you're watching this skip. Wow, 2 players in there and Balotelli. Wow. About 1k. So yeah, why not open some 75k packs? Yeah. That's right, about 2. Oh what no? 2. So yeah, this is new Lukaku, man of the match because of his hat trick. Well, loads of players. Of course our 3 rares are consumables and contracts. So not Griezmann. Hunter, they go for a bit, don't they? Sure they go for a bit. Hunter. So yet I might have even made a profit on that pack. Hunter. So yeah, I will quick sell Hunter, so I have enough for 1 more pack. So I'll be getting a gaming capture soon. That should come in about 2 or 3 weeks. And then I can properly. So last pack, Hazard. This is a skip pack and a silver. Okay. Great. So that'll be all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy your day. Like, subscribe, and peace.